Hi, this is Jamie with Coastal Business Supplies. Thank you for joining us for video 4 in our 4-part series going over the Brother ScanNCut. In this video, we are going to do a screen capture of sending images to Brother CanvasWorkspace. So let's get started. So we are in Illustrator now. We have opened up a file. We have highlighted all the images, and we're going to go to our Pathfinder to unite all images. So you can't move any of the pieces in that image around. They're all united as one. We're going to go up to File, Save As. We're going to save as a SGV file. And Brother CanvasWorkspace, you can do SVG or FCM, which is the Brother CanvasWorkspace's file. So make sure it's either one of those. And Brother CanvasWorkspace, we're going to open that file by going on the left panel and clicking SVG. Here you notice that you can move them individually, or you can move them as a set. So what you'll do is you will highlight all of them, and then now you can move them all together to position them appropriately when cutting, your material. Now you're done. If you are done, you could transfer via internet, or you can transfer via USB cable, or if you just have a blank Canvas workspace, this is where you can import from your computer or your cutting machine if you scanned an image in. So that's if you're using the Brother and you've scanned an image in, you can work with it at that time. So now we're gonna go back to Illustrator. I'm gonna show you how you can just send individual images through and you can separate them. So what we're gonna do is we're going to go up to File, Save As again, save as an SVG file to a location that is, can be easily accessed. We're going to go into Brother CanvasWorkspace, and now when you load a file, open it, you'll notice that everything can be taken apart. So you can, delete things as needed. They're all separated. So however you want to, do your preference and how you want to send your images, that's definitely up to you. But these are the two different ways that you can do that. So thank you for, again, watching our 4-part series on the Brother ScanNCut. We hope you enjoyed. If you have any questions, please, of course, contact us or comment below. And also don't forget to like and subscribe. Again, thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.